From a historic emblem signifying the Ilocanos' commitment to freedom, we shall now marvel at the iconic bird symbolizing the Vindarinians' flight for glory. Vintar has always been associated with birds, it being the home of the mighty Siwawer. Even in agriculture, birds signify the present season. For instance, the arrival of kanawais or egrets suggests the start of the planting season of the many crops that are thriving in Vintar, such as garlic, the white gold of the north. At the break of dawn, the villagers do the back-breaking work of planting the most prized crops. A blackbird appears, the uwak, and makes a startling call. Using this as a sign of calamity, the farmers turn back at once. Then, heavy rains fall. Amid this catastrophe, the Vindarinians ask for the intervention of the divine creator. They take a piece of the blessed bread of Saint Nicolas Tolentino and throw it into the inundated part of the house or the river. This act is believed to save the town from the wrath of floods and disasters. As the people pray, a white-plumed bird appears as a sign of hope and answered prayers. The rain stopped and the town is spared. With renewed hope, the villagers continue to tend the fields and do their daily chores. The Siwawer appears, which signifies plentiful harvest and calls for a joyful celebration. While the merrymaking is being held, a multitude of golden birds appear to join the celebration. Indeed, Vintar is gifted with rich culture, strongly observed, with attendant rituals illustrating the Naintar Apulis respect for tradition. Gagayem ken kakabsat, intay pasangbayan, ti Siwawer Festival, iti ili, iti Vintar.
Vintarenyo, nalatat nga manalon, nga digkera pamabagi, pagpanpan nagtili, data marintarenyo, nagagit ipulini, awa nagdudukot kanya nga umi. Vintarenyo, ngatan ko kasikat mangipay, tibyak ananamay. Vintarenyo, nga undasan, awan maartap na idumduma. Madadail sa mit, dagiti mula tayon, tatangko. Apu asika, apu, mga asika, apu, mga asika, apu, mga asika, mga asika, mga asika, apu, mga asika. Vindareño, Vindareño, Siwawe! Ito'y bintang maragsak, panagbiag ni Kitnarama, kaput gasat ni Siwawer at walay di umili. Dayaw ni Vindareño, sa wendang di Ilocano, Siwawer anang tendra niya, pulos sa di ang sartay. Siwawer ang ipaay, rangay na giti umili, bawang magmanang kirmi, ay ayay awitan.
Wow! Isa na namang nakakalulang pagtatamhal mula sa bayan ng Bintan, ang Thunderous of Velocity's Mighty Sea Hours, led by the Mayor Richard Nagala, Tourism Officer Mr. Erwin